Mama said pray for it, then it'll come. Well, I'm praying for pussy on the tip of my tongue. Probably pray on the pussy, pop the pistol and run. Was probably taking your cookies while you twiddled your thumbs. Great, want a cookie, quiet, Hillary Duff. I'm feeling angry and pushy, take the hint and be mum. Say something mushy, we'll leave your brain something mushy. Rather blaze up the kush, we take a hit and be numb. Mayor mistook me for afflicting the young. Who's he getting it from? Where's he getting it from? Fuck picking up the new Madden and pick up your son. Hope he never picks up your habits and pick up a gun. You know that fella in class who used to draw, who hardly spoke ever, outcast. Cause what he saw was what you couldn't stomach. So how do you spell relief? TAC messed him up bad so he didn't talk. Said F getting an F in his class, that's he didn't talk. Though he got an A for effort, he'd pass but didn't walk across the stage yelling that last. Cause what he sought was neatly wrapped presents that Santa never brought.
Satan Claus, he's out there, getting stronger. So be prepared, so be prepared, so be prepared. Not just in the hood, everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Satan Claus, he's out there, get yours.
Mama said prayer instead of root to empower. So I'm praying that Carrie Hilson threw me to Nana. Probably Katy Perry, she come through then que pasa. Probably Vita Guerrera, get the coochie manana. Probably smoking, I'm Carrie Hiroyuki Tagawa. Probably a slice, you swear a nigga used a katana. Probably watching Jim Carrey tripping shrooms with my partners. Or probably jotting in Cara prison, Luke, I'm your father. Probably caught what he's wearing, vintage Fubu and Dada. Probably alphanumerics, Fendi, Gucci and Prada. Probably hear octaves, concertos in their losing sonatas. Or probably pocketing his stereo and root panther power. Probably cock it and air it, nigga Kuna Matata. On the block it's imperative you move with a chopper or a Glock, because variants of Uzis are louder. Under his bed and he'll carry it to school if he's got her. You know that fella in class who used to draw Dragon Ball Z characters mad cause what he's taught is what you couldn't stomach. So how do you spell relief? GAT, weaponry stashed into his vault. Play F&F Carrera loot tracks to ease his thoughts. Bump Wu-Tang forever and blasted Jesus walk while cleaning his Beretta to blast. Cause what he wants is some form of affection. Sorry dad, it ain't your fault.
It ain't your fault. It ain't your fault. Not just in the hood,